So within, the work that I do with reversing breast implant illness and working with clients one-on-one and in a group setting, I think it's really important to share those stories. And so helping people to understand how their mindset about themselves has changed through this experience and how they're now looking at what makes a woman beautiful. I've received several emails and messages on Instagram or Facebook of people just sharing that they're so glad to see these stories, that they've been so helpful, and in some cases they've been the thing that's actually kind of enabled them to get over that fear, right? And be able to take the next step and start interviewing surgeons and getting ready to book their explant surgeries. And so I think that's really helpful for other women to see themselves in all these other women's stories as well, because no story is exactly the same. I think, it's one thing to read a testimony and have someone's name or picture after it, but I think it's quite another to see them in video form actually talking about their own journey and sharing where they started, what that path looked like getting to the point of explant, and then what was going on afterward, and what shifted and how they got to where they are now, right? And what it was like working with me and how I kind of took them down that path. So I think it's more impactful social proof seeing in video. I'm just attracting more of those women, which is perfect. That's my ideal client. And I am having more people reach out to me requesting a discovery call, more discovery call bookings over the last few weeks. So it's been really great. Hi, my name is Phillippe, and I am the owner of Reversing Breast Implant Illness, and I am from San Antonio, Texas.